Hello, welcome back to the Microsoft Security Community. I hope you've been having a great day so far. My name is Future Quarter, and I'm a Program Manager on the Customer Experience Engineering team for Azure Security Center. Today, I'm going to help you get started with the Secure Management Ports control in Azure Security Center. So follow along with me and let's walk through this together. I'm in the Azure portal and I've gone ahead and navigated to Azure Security Center. When I click on Recommendations, it takes me to this page and I can scroll down to find the security controls. Listed second, we see Secure Management Ports. When I click on Secure Management Ports, I can see all the recommendations that are listed under this security control. One thing to keep in mind when attacking any of these security controls is that in order to get the full potential score increase, you must complete all the recommendations that are listed under the security control. In this case, there are 3 recommendations listed under Secure Management Ports. In order to get my full 4 points, or a 7% increase in my secure score, I must complete all 3 of these recommendations. And right now, I only have 2 of them completed. So to get my 4 points, I also need to complete Management Ports should be closed on your virtual machines. When I click on this recommendation, it takes me to this page. And here I can see a description of the recommendation, as well as remediation steps and the affected resources. Right now, I only have 1 unhealthy virtual machine listed in this tab. To remediate this recommendation, you must disable RDP and SSH access to your virtual machines from over the internet. I can do this by clicking on the affected virtual machine, and it takes me to this networking page. In order to reduce the surface area exposed, we have to restrict access to a specific IP source range or address. Once we've done this to all the virtual machines listed under the Unhealthy Resources tab, then we would have completed the Management Port should be closed on your virtual machines recommendation. If you've remediated all the virtual machines listed under the Unhealthy Resources tab, in addition to the other 2 recommendations in Secure Management Ports, and you're still wondering why you haven't gotten the 4 points or the 7% increase in your secure score, one thing to pay attention to is the freshness interval. And this interval is telling you the maximum amount of time it takes for Security Center to identify any changes you've made to your resources. So for Management Port should be closed on your virtual machines, the freshness interval here is 24 hours. And if we take a closer look at the other recommendations, we see that we have another freshness interval of 24 hours. And the third recommendation also has a freshness interval of 24 hours. And that concludes our demo. I hope you found this video helpful, especially in getting your feet wet in the Secure Management Port security control. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in our ASC Tech community blogs, but for now, I'll see you next time.